Welcome to our comprehensive guide on human resources risk management. In today's business environment, managing the people side of risk is just as critical as managing financial or operational risks. Whether you are an HR professional, a business owner, or a manager, understanding how to identify and mitigate these risks is essential for the long-term success and stability of your organization. So, what exactly is HR risk management? Put simply, it is the systematic process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that are related to an organization's workforce. It goes beyond just hiring and firing. It involves protecting the organization from legal liabilities, ensuring employee safety, safeguarding the company's reputation, and aligning human resources practices with broader business goals. You might be wondering, why should we invest time and resources into this? There are four main reasons. First is legal compliance. Avoiding costly lawsuits and fines is paramount. Second is financial stability, preventing revenue loss from high turnover or inefficiencies. Third is reputation management, maintaining trust with your stakeholders. And finally, workforce morale, creating a safe and fair environment where people actually want to work. When we talk about HR risks, they generally fall into four core categories. Number one is compliance, which deals with laws and regulations. Number two is operational, which focuses on internal processes and people management. Number three is strategic, which looks at the long-term talent picture. And number four is reputational, which concerns your brand image as an employer. Let's dive deeper into compliance risks. These are often the most visible dangers. They include violating labor laws, such as wage and hour regulations or wrongful termination claims. It also covers health and safety issues, like OSHA violations or workplace accidents. And increasingly important today is data privacy, ensuring you are compliant with regulations like GDPR and protecting sensitive employee records. Next, we have operational risks. These are the day-to-day inefficiencies that cost money. High turnover is a major one, leading to the loss of institutional knowledge and high recruiting costs. Skills gaps are another, where employees lack the training to be effective. We also have to consider employee misconduct, such as fraud or harassment, and the growing issue of burnout and stress. Strategic risks are often overlooked, but are deadly in the long run. A talent shortage means you cannot attract the people needed to grow. A lack of succession planning puts you in a vulnerable position if a key leader leaves unexpectedly. And a culture mismatch can stifle innovation, creating a toxic environment that drives away your best performers. In the age of social media, reputational risks are volatile. A single viral complaint from a former employee can damage your brand overnight. Poor reviews on sites like Glassdoor can make it incredibly difficult to hire top talent. And if clients perceive that you treat your people unethically, they may choose to take their business elsewhere. So how do we manage all of this? We follow a four-step cycle. First, identify the potential risks in your policies and culture. Second, assess them by evaluating how likely they are to happen and what the impact would be. Third, mitigate the risks by implementing controls. And fourth, monitor the situation continuously to ensure your strategies remain effective. Mitigation comes down to three pillars. First, policies and procedures. Clear, written rules like an employee handbook leave no room for ambiguity. Second, training and education. You must empower your employees and managers with the knowledge to act correctly, such as harassment prevention training. And third, audits and insurance. Regular compliance checks and having insurance like employment practices liability insurance provide a safety net. Ultimately, the best defense is a strong culture. You want to build a risk-aware mindset. This involves encouraging open communication so employees can report issues without fear. Leaders must lead by example, modeling ethical behavior every day. And risk management should be a regular topic of discussion, not just something you think about once a year. To wrap up, remember that HR risk management protects your assets, your people, and your reputation. These risks are legal, operational, and strategic. Investing in prevention through training and policies is always cheaper than dealing with a lawsuit or a crisis. And finally, a strong, ethical culture is your absolute best defense. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.